What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy G back with another video, and as y'all can see by the title, this is a POV through Atlanta traffic. If you're new to the channel, man, this is my 2017 Dodge Charger. As y'all can see, man, I got quite a bit of mods done to it. If you want to see my whole mod list and everything, go to my previous videos and you'll see that. But I will show y'all this new mod that I haven't showed y'all. It's a little mirror caps. You feel me? It just make the mirrors, well, for one, it made the mirrors black. For two, it just add a nice little aesthetic, you feel me, to the whole Batmobile. But anyway, man, we finna hop in, we finna ride. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna give y'all a quick overview of the whip. If you're new to the channel, I don't wanna get my tag, but if you're new to the channel, man, this is what we finna do a POV in through Atlanta traffic. So y'all see we got the red lights, Hellcat hood, splitter. You feel me? But we finna hop in, man. We finna go. We finna ride. Let's do it. All right, man. So we have made it inside the boat. We finna pull off, man. Let's see. Put that bad boy in Drizzy. But first, y'all know you gotta put your seatbelt on, man. Put your seatbelt on before you even start the car. That's really how you're supposed to do it. But let's see, we're gonna try to make it out here without scraping, bro, because I scrape every time I come out here. Y'all can see, y'all seen in the beginning of the video, I had my splitter on there, so my splitter be kinda, it be scraping the ground a little bit. But I'm gonna try to get out of here though. We gonna try. I was just taking a picture real quick. Right. I already took it though, so I'm finna leave. Man, you can't do nothing. You hear me? I had to take my thumbnail. She's talking about, hey, man, you can't. She don't even know, bro. I was already here and I already took a picture. Don't mind that. But I already took a picture right there, so she must have been asleep on the job because she obviously ain't see me on the camera. Seatbelt twisted, man. All right, there we go. Yeah, she was asleep on the job, bro. I would definitely hear her earlier. She ain't seen nothing. But that's whatever. I really don't care. But like I said, man, we're gonna try to get out of here without scraping, bro, because I got a splitter and a daggone side skirt. Well, right now I'm finna wait on this traffic to pass by. I ain't scraped last time, so you feel me? Let's see if I can do it again. Oh, what was that? Bro, tripping. All right, y'all, I think the coast is clear. Light finna turn red, so we finna squeeze up out it. Gonna wait on them. Finna squeeze up out of here, man. Ooh, look at that, no scrapes. What I tell you? I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, I'm really like that, bro. Like, I'm talking about no scrapes, cuz. Yo, every time I stop, I hear like this weird boop, 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 boop. I don't know what it is, man. If y'all know what that is, comment down below, let me know. But I have no idea. I thought it was my brakes at first, but I changed my brakes. And it's still doing it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it could be. I don't even know what it sounds like, to be honest. But it's every time I come to like a stop. If y'all bouncing a lot, Atlanta roads is terrible, so, and I got lowering springs, so the ride is a little bit stiffer. But if y'all bouncing around, or if y'all hear my voice shake like it just did, that's why. Ooh, somebody got a coyote. Coyote. I I ain't gonna lie, bro. One thing about Mustangs, bro, they sound crazy. Like, that's the only reason I would get a Mustang is because of the sound. I mean, they look cool too, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, I'm just more of a Camaro Dodge guy, you know? Chevy and Dodge, man. But no, Mustang's cool. Like I said, the exhaust is crazy, bro. But I ain't gonna lie, I done seen some Hellcats and Camaros with crazy exhaust too, so I don't know. But Ford, they cars sound good from the factory. I don't know what they be doing to their exhaust, but yeah, man, they cars sound crazy from the factory. Uh-oh, we got a police up here. Get in this lane. I don't even know what's going on. Like he was just parked out there with his lights on. I'm finna walk right in front of the right in front of the car. Tripping. Oh, that's a Lamborghini. Y'all seen that? The orange one? It was a Huracan. I hope I got it on camera. I'm pretty sure I got it on camera. If y'all don't know, man, the Lamborghini Huracan is my dream. Well, I ain't even gonna say dream car, cause it's the car I'm gonna get soon. But yeah, man, that's like the ultimate goal, bro. Lamborghini Huracan. It's crazy. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I slick like the Huracans better than the Aventadors. I ain't even gonna lie. I feel like they look better. And they cheaper. But if y'all don't know, man, Aventadors, they're like $1 million car, depending on which one you get. Well, nah. I think all of them might be close to $1 million. Over $500,000 at least. I know for a fact. But yeah, man, Huracan. I see that rap G-Wagon. Yeah, the Huracan is my ultimate goal. You feel me? Once I get a Huracan, life is complete. Ugly ass. But nah, man, y'all for comment down below with y'all dream car or a car y'all know y'all gonna get one day that seems out of reach right now, man. I just don't like I don't like saying dream, because I feel like dreams are fake. Or like, what is that? That's a GT3 RS? No way, it's a female driving it, bro. What the fuck? Bro, I swear, I gotta start doing more POVs, bro. Every time I do like POVs, it's always something crazy, bro. Like, I kid you not, bro. Like, it's always something crazy every time I pull this phone out. So maybe that's a sign from the universe that I need to start doing more of these POVs, bro. Because that is crazy. That's a GT3 RS, bro. I don't think I ever seen one of those on the road before. Bruh, what the world is going on right now? That is crazy. I like them too, I ain't even gonna lie to you. And I think they got a V6, but it's a crazy, crazy V6. I'm finna try to give me the box of water. ain't buying no water, bro. I ain't buying no water. He coming over here right now. He gonna walk past. He gonna walk past the car. What's going on with you, bro?
YouTube, son.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, what's your advice so I can save up? Give me some shit like this, like just one piece of advice. I'm saving up right now.
Shit, just keep grinding, bro.
Just keep grinding. How much you put down on it? How much you got to save up?
Shit, I got good credit, so.
How much you put down with the good credit?
I ain't put down nothing.
Like 10?
I ain't put down nothing.
You put down nothing?
Hell no. Nah. Just keep grinding, bro. Hey, y'all folks gotta start thinking everything money, bro. Y'all gotta get y'all some credit, bro. Y'all heard me tell, bro. He started me and asked me how much, and I ain't mind talking to him. You feel me? Cause he looked like he was about my age, and he looked like he got some ambitions in his eyes. You feel me? Every time I talk to people, I look him in the face. I can tell he wasn't really on there. That's why I rolled the window down. But he looked like he really wanted it, so I held up traffic to tell him. But yeah, man. Build y'all credit, bro. Like, everything ain't about money, bro. You could be broke as I don't know what. If you got good credit, bro, you got good money. For real, for real. Y'all folks stay on top of y'all credit. Now, money, you do need money. I ain't gonna lie. You need money. But credit is like, it's gonna put you where you need to be. The money is just gonna sustain it. You feel me? But hopefully, bro, do something with what I told him and build his credit if he ain't already built his credit. But selling water ain't really gonna, you need to get you a job, bro. That's really what some of y'all need. Y'all be thinking, you feel me, you can scam your way into life, but you can't scam your whole life, bro. You gotta find you a job, bro. So find y'all a job, man, build y'all credit, and you'll be riding around doing POVs like me. Stupid ass. Nah, facts though. Facts. Where y'all see that bird chasing that moth? Y'all probably ain't see it. If I got it on camera, I'm gonna zoom in on it when I edit it, but that's crazy. He finna get killed. He finna get ran over by a car trying to chase a moth. We all gotta eat, man, by any means. He talking about, hey, roll with that down, bro. It ain't about the water, twin. Oh God, hey, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I for sure want from the road. If you was trying to tell me about some water, bro, I was gonna roll the window down anyway, but I would have just pulled off on him. He was trying to give me the bottle of water, but he asked a question that I wanted to answer for him, so. They color just like mine, bro. Same color, everything. That great charger up there. Bro, these bumps is crazy. And the bumps ain't even that big, bro. It's just the springs I got on here, they don't really compress like how stock ones do. So when you hit a bump, the whole car moves. But it feel good, I ain't gonna lie. If y'all wanna know what springs, like I got the iBot Pro springs. I know how the sport lines. I know the sport lines are way more stiffer than these. These is just like some calm, you feel me? And they really don't slam your car like that, but yeah, man, I got the iBot Pro springs, man. The black ones, not the red ones. You get the red ones, you're gonna be bouncing around crazy. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If you made it this far in the video, comment down a toilet emoji. so I can see who watching and see who just clicking on the video, liking it, and clicking off. So, oh. So comment down a toilet emoji. And this is probably gonna end the video, man. If you liked it, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all boys in the next one.